Have you ever wanted to make your Canva design look cleaner by changing those long, messy website links into neat, clickable text? Well, in this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to change the name of a link in Canva. It's super simple, but a lot of people don't know this trick. So let's get started. First, open your Canva project and find the text that already has a link attached. Click on that linked text once to select it. You'll notice a small toolbar appear right above or below the text. That's your editing panel. Now, click on the three dots, sometimes called the More icon. From there, choose All Executives, Edit Link. This will open a small dialog box that shows two main fields, one for the link's text and one for the actual URL. Here's where the magic happens. In the text field, you can type whatever you want to appear as a clickable text. For example, instead of showing a long address like www.mywebsite.com/tutorials, you could simply write visit my website. If you also want to change where the link leads, just paste the new web address into the link field. Once you're happy with both the name and the destination, hit apply or press enter and Canva will instantly update it. Now, your design looks cleaner, more professional, and easier for your viewers or readers to interact with. And that's it. A quick and easy way to customize your links in Canva like a pro. If you found this helpful, don't forget to explore more Canva tips to make your design stand out even more. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.